Ever wondered why some brands have an almost magnetic pull over consumers, making them choose their products time and again? Welcome to the fascinating world of marketing and advertising, where creativity and strategy combine to create compelling narratives that captivate audiences and drive purchasing decisions. Picture this. The year is 1996. A relatively unknown company called Hotmail is on the brink of a breakthrough. They have developed a unique product, a web-based email service, but they had a problem. How to get the word out to the masses with a shoestring budget? The answer was as ingenious as it was simple. Hotmail appended a brief message at the end of every email sent via their platform: "Get your free email at Hotmail." This simple yet effective marketing strategy worked wonders. It was viral marketing in its nascent form, and it was a massive success. Hotmail amassed over 12 million users within 18 months, and the rest, as they say, is history. This case underscores the power of an innovative marketing strategy. It wasn't a flashy ad campaign or a celebrity endorsement that catapulted Hotmail to success. Instead, it was a cleverly crafted message attached to every email that turned every user into a potential marketer. So what can we glean from this? Firstly, that effective marketing isn't always about having the biggest budget. Creativity and innovation often yield far better results. Secondly, marketing is not a one-size-fits-all proposition. What worked for Hotmail may not work for another brand. It's about understanding your audience, your product, and finding the unique intersection where the two meet. In summary, the world of marketing and advertising is a dynamic and ever-evolving field. As illustrated by the Hotmail case study, success often hinges on creativity, understanding your audience, and leveraging the unique attributes of your product or service. So, whether you're a burgeoning startup or an established brand, remember, the right marketing strategy can make all the difference. Thank you for joining this exploration into the captivating world of marketing and advertising. Until next time, keep innovating, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep telling stories that resonate with your audience.